Hey everybody, Vern here again. I just wanted to show you how to use the AI gateway for Salesforce in a zero-shot prompt scenario, one of the most basic situations. So I'm accessing the app that you can install, and I'm gonna go to the prompts. And one of the prompts that comes with it is called market research. So I want to perform market research on a Salesforce topic. And so what I'm doing is I'm buying a Salesforce Backup Solution here. So I clicked into the prompt, I clicked into the parameter field, and so if you see here on the right side of the screen is what the system prompt is going to be. So I pulled it out here so it's easy to see. And I wrote this one manually. So I just wrote this one from scratch. For it to perform market research. I wanted to look for factors of analysis. I wanted to do a table. I wanted to do a table, and then I wanted to list each competitor that I'm looking for. So to do that, all I have to do is have a user prompt that goes with that. It says create a market analysis for market name. See, I've kind of almost referring to this thing as like a subroutine called market analysis. And I say, create a market analysis for market name. And then the market name here is going to be Salesforce Backup Solutions. So I'm just going to execute that, and that's going to take a second. And we'll be right back. Okay, and we're back, and here's the response, and I copied it over here to Markdown preview so it's easier to see, and it's answered my questions here where it's listing the primary factors of analysis. I tend to agree with these, and then it actually went through and created the table that I asked for, and then it gave me information about each of these, and then decent analysis coming out of GPT-4 here. So that is an example of how you can use zero-shot prompt engineering to give access to a facility like this to execute market research pretty easily just based on entering in the topic. So I didn't have to do any prompting here as a user. I just executed it. So yay for prompt engineering.